Hello guys, I'm gonna show how to replace the drive belt first. Rotate belt tensioner counterclockwise and remove alternator drive belt. After removal drive belt, we can remove air conditioning belt next, but space is between crank pulley and alternator pulley tensioner is so narrow, not enough space. So I usually take out this drive belt tensioner. Rotate the AC compressor belt tensioner clockwise using 3A square extension. Put aside AC belt. AC belt doesn't come out because AC tensioner inside located, so you guys need to remove whole assembly, belt tensioner and belt together like this. After all the belt out, you guys put the new AC belt into the belt tensioner, because first install the tensioner, it doesn't come in belt, so inside the belt and then put together, install the tensioner to the engine. AC belt tensioner, it has dowel pin like this, and then you guys align this dowel pin to the engine front cover and then tighten bolt 18 foot-pound. After torque down AC tensioner, you can route AC belt, AC compressor, and crank pulley. And then you guys are using the 3A extension, not a socket extension, and then clockwise release the tensioner and attach the belt to upside idler pulley. Once you install AC belt, now install drive belt tensioner. It has also dowel pin, and then align the dowel pin onto the front cover, and then tighten the tensioner bolt with a 13 millimeters bolt. This torque is 35 foot-pound. Once install alternator tensioner, you guys torque down the 35 foot-pound alternator tensioner, and then installation tensioner, route, driver belt, water pump, crank pulley, and alternator, and release the tensioner, and then you attach the belt onto the tensioner. But other way, first put on the belt, crank shaft pulley and alternator and tensioner first like this. And I usually do the like this, and then release driver belt tensioner and counterclockwise, rotate the tensioner at 50 millimeter, and then hook up the water pump last one. Whatever you up to, it doesn't matter. And then make sure all of the belt on the groove. Thank you for watching.